Hey guys, it's Farmer Brad here. I'm out in the high tunnel. Just wanted to show you guys the progress that I made. So I got this seam double taped all the way down there. And I have 3 plastic tubings. There's one, up here's one, and then down towards the bottom, there's another one. Now, since it's raining right now, I just went ahead and just put duct tape along the side, along that seam. So hopefully before wind gets really bad or something, it will keep that together so I can do it when it's drier. So I can do the outside and then the inside. Now I think there's enough slack on the end there that I can just pull that down into the wiggle wire. So that should be good. But yeah, it's a pretty big seam, but I really do not think it hurts to try to fix it. And then I may try to put a second layer of plastic over top of that come springtime, and then put a blower in the plastic so I can have double layer. Hi homesteaders of Indiana. I was just showing the progress with fixing the high tunnel rip in the plastic. So this high tunnel is 48 feet long, and I'd say this horizontal rip goes probably at least 3/4 of the way, and then I have a rip that goes all the way down there. But I think it's doable. Just pray that there's no strong winds until this can dry off for me to finish it up. Let me know if you have any questions. And then this was a high tunnel that was built with the Equip grant, and I got the stuff I think in October of 2017. Yeah, the rips are from the wind. When that last Thursday when we had the snow come in East Central Indiana, it just ripped it. Now, with talking with another person, I have a feeling that I did not have my high tunnel plastic tight enough. So once I get it sealed up, I'm probably gonna try to pull down the other side so that there's less pressure on the rips here. And then I'm also gonna redo the end with the wiggle wire to hopefully pull the plastic long ways. Now there's a good shot of, I used irrigation tubing, just the flat, and that will hopefully reinforce that so it doesn't rip any further. I'm gonna head back inside. Thanks for checking out this video. And if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, the easiest way to go to it is farmerbrad.com/YouTube. I'm close to getting monetized. I still have about 1,800 hours of watch time that I need in order to get my channel monetized. So every little bit helps. I try to do at least one video a week, and just going one day at a time. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.